By 2030, millions of jobs will disappear. Not because people are lazy, not because they're unskilled, but because machines don't sleep. AI is replacing faster than anyone expected. So the real question isn't, will AI take jobs? It's this: which jobs will actually survive? Stay till the end. The last one surprises everyone. Welcome back to AI Wealth Pulse, where we talk about money, AI, and the future most people aren't ready for. Today, I'm breaking down the only 5 types of jobs that will still exist in 2030, even as AI replaces everything else. If your job isn't on this list, you may need to rethink your path. Warning: why most jobs won't survive. AI doesn't just replace labor. It replaces repetition, rules, predictability. Any job that follows instructions can be automated. That includes clerks, basic designers, writers, analysts, even some programmers. Degrees won't save these jobs. Experience won't either. Only leverage will. Number 1. AI operators and system builders. AI doesn't run itself. Someone must. Design workflows, connect tools, automate systems, manage outcomes. These people don't compete with AI. They control it. Examples: AI automation specialists, no-code builders, AI workflow designers. If you can make AI work for businesses, you'll never be unemployed. Number 2. Creators with distribution. AI can create content, but it can't build trust. Creators who survive on an audience, control attention, understand storytelling. Faceless or not, it doesn't matter. If you can distribute ideas, YouTube, newsletters, podcasts, communities, you win. Attention is the new currency. Number 3. Problem solvers in the real world. AI lives online. Reality doesn't. Jobs that require physical presence, unpredictable environments, human judgment will survive. Examples: advanced technicians, specialized repair experts, skilled trades with tech knowledge, not low-skill labor, high-skill problem solving. Brain job. Number 4. Strategists and decision makers. AI gives answers. Humans decide what matters. Strategists choose direction, manage risk, make judgment calls. AI can't replace vision, context, responsibility. That's why leaders who understand AI will dominate those who don't. Number 5. Human-centered roles. AI has no empathy. Jobs that involve trust, care, emotional intelligence will remain. Examples: therapists, coaches, mentors, high-level educators. The more automated the world becomes, the more valuable human connection gets. Prohibited jobs most likely to disappear. Let's be honest. If your job is repetitive, rule-based, replaceable by software, it's at risk. Ignoring this doesn't protect you. Preparing does. Key: the real skill for 2030. The most important skill isn't coding. It's adaptation. People who survive will learn fast, use AI as leverage, build systems, not routines. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. The future isn't coming. It's already here. And now you know the only 5 job paths that will survive 2030. If this video helped you see the future more clearly, back-end index pointing right like this video. It tells YouTube to show it to more people. Back-end index pointing right, subscribe to AI Wealth Pulse. We break down how to win in the AI era every week. Don't fear the future. Position yourself for it. See you in the next one.